Alrighty, looks like we're plugged in with about a minute left to go. So strap yourselves in. We're about to do day 4, Advent of Clojure, Advent of Code in Clojure. Off to a great start. Clearly my mind is not boggled tonight. You know, first day of work for the week, and I'm clearly all present and ready to go. Okay. Let's see. Four, three, two, one. Here we go. So we have a bunch of guards, and someone's been recording, and they record what time each guard begins their shift, what time they fall asleep and wake up. We can skip the hour because only the minute's relevant. We're only looking at the hour of midnight. It's only one guard per night. They count as asleep on the minute they fell asleep, and they count as awake on the minute they wake up. So end range is exclusive. If we can figure out the guard most likely to be asleep at a specific time, we might be able to trick that guard into working tonight so you can have the best chance of sneaking in. So strategy 1, we're going to find the guard that has the most minutes of sleep. Okay, so this is just a matter of grouping by ID and adding minutes. Okay, so let's get the puzzle input here. Woohoo! I bet this is going to be a whole bunch. Okay. Oh, and I don't even have my music on. Hold on just a second. This is the most important part. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. 38K. Oh, no. How many entries are there? 1,140. Okay. So. Oh, it's all scrambled, too. Oh boy, okay. We're gonna have to sort this. clever. I think we can just sort it. Take 10 from sort input. That's definitely not right. Right, because I actually have to, you know, split by line. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do this wrong again, aren't I? It doesn't like it. Hold on. There we go. It's input. I always get this one wrong for some reason. I guess I'm using it enough. Okay, L129, L130, L130, 31. I think it works. So the main reason this works is that guard always begins with a capital G. Capital letters are coincidentally less than lowercase letters in ASCII, and then the date should cover itself fine because it's fully ISO formatted from greatest importance to least importance. Okay, that gets us there. Let's go ahead now. Let's see, we got to figure out how to reduce these. Okay, this is where we're going to have to look up some of the, I think, sequence functions. So what we want to do is we kind of want to chunk off, or break this into sublists, starting with specific things. You could do repeat split with. Let's try this again just so I can see the actual. Okay, the main issue here is we can't use like the day, say, because they always start their shift on the day before and they fall asleep on the day after. Okay, so what if we do this? Parse shift is what we want. Okay, we're going to take our sequence of events, all right? Well, let's parse first. Okay, one thing at a time. And they said that we only care about the minutes during this, which is good. That helps us. Parse event. Define parse event of an event is what? contains guard. So if it's got guard in it, then two digits, followed by guard number, guard ID, begins shift. Okay. Let's test this out on RE matches, blah. Let's grab our example here. Oops. Hold on. Okay. Put. Okay. 57, 2417, that's exactly what we're looking for. Actually, we're just looking for, we don't need the actual minute here. We only need the ID. There we go, we get the ID out. We want the same thing basically. Let's see. Falls asleep, RE event. This one we do want the minute. And only the minute. Let's verify that too. Does not like that because I didn't actually run this first. Okay, we got the minute out, fine. Let's make sure we actually are giving it some kind of semantics here. So we've got guard, we've got sleep, and we're gonna have a very similar one for wakes up. Actually, you can pretty much just copy paste here. Wakes up. I'm gonna presume that works as it is. Otherwise, let's see. What is case take else? Or does case just have the standard default at the end? A single default expression to follow the clauses, so no else, just straight up. That's con that has else. Oh, I'm using... I think that's it. No, that's not it. That actually applies it to the content, the functions on the right-hand side. And I'm pretty sure contains won't work either. It's going to ask for a substring instead, if I don't recall how that works. Does not like parsings. Right, I need my core parsing. Similarly here. And this is actually has to be an else now. Okay. Does not like that, so I didn't run this. Okay. Yep, doesn't like contains. Let's check our string. Worst case, I think we use string slash substring. Includes. Okay, let's try that. Guard, sleep, wake, etc. Okay, we got it. So now, actually, I think this gives us everything that we need. So... let's see. So, given... Okay. Handle event. Given a state that consists of... Okay, what's the Clojure syntax for destructuring keys? Been too long. Spell. Was it? Go. I need to put this in a, there we go, Clojure. And what's the other one gonna be? Sleep talent. Okay. Event type. Event arg. Okay. So, given a current structure that tells us where we're currently at and a new event, we're going to have to figure out how to handle that event. And so we can do this actually using a very similar thing to what we have up there. Actually, we just use a case on event type. We could use multi-methods. I'm not going to bother right now. If it's a guard, then we're just going to return as, let's see, state. We're just going to associate the state Clojure with the event arg. So we're going to say, hey, here's our new guard, go for it. You know what? So I'm seeing a pattern up here, we should probably refactor, because I find it's going to be parsing all these into integers. Okay, hold on a second, let's just do this, because this is getting ridiculous. Okay. I'll parse or format that later. That's much nicer now. Well, that makes much more sense. I mean, honestly, I could just... Yeah, I'll leave it at that. Oh, that's not gonna work. Okay, you know what? Let's scratch all that. Let's not refactor that yet. Okay. So all that to say, let's make sure that's parsed. Now I'm going to go ahead and associate the current guard in our state with the new guard. If it's asleep, since I think we know they'll always wake up. Let's verify that in the problem statement. I think we know that they'll always wake up. I'm going to make that assumption for now, and this will probably bite me later, because that's how these things tend to work. Okay, let's take away some of these examples here so that we can have room to see. I'm going to go ahead. These events, I'm going to sort it now, because we're going to need them sorted, I think, from here on out. Let's kill this and this. If we are waking, we'll go ahead. Actually, we can leave that alone. Like, who cares if we have an extra old asleep since lying around? Because we know that they're not going to wake up first thing on a shift. So this is a bit of a presumption on my part. Again, might be bad, but I'm okay with leaving dirty state in there for now. Okay, that's where I'll set it. We're okay with dirty state. Associate. Let's do update. States. So, in the current guard's entry in the sleep tally, we're going to get a function that takes in the current value I think update in it will be nil if there's no enter yet. I think there's a better way to do that, but plus. Let's see. So we get the current time that they woke up at minus the time they fell asleep. That gives us a new chunk of time to add a number of minutes that they have been asleep. And we're going to go ahead and add that to our current total for that guard and make that the new value for that guard. Okay, I think that gives us what we want. And it's also ridiculously long. Let's make sure we actually turn this up here. Not exhaustive, well, technically, but I know pretty well what my events are going to be. Okay. I'm going to take my events. I'm going to take 10 of them, just to start with. I'm going to map them against a parse event, and I'm going to have my events be handled. Oops. With my initial being, and I'm not going to worry about Cur Guard or Sleep Tally. Oh, I might worry about Sleep Tally. We'll find out. Did not like that. No matching claws. Okay, let's just make sure that this part is okay. I definitely did not like that. Okay, so none of these are matching. Let's see what those first 10 things are. Did I screw something up earlier? But it doesn't like me parsing them? It definitely doesn't like me parsing them. That should match the first one, though. My misunderstanding conned. I probably am. No? So that's true, but it's not being recognized in the cond. Oh, you know why? I never actually redefined this thing. Oh, I need to work on that. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's make sure to define this. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. Guard, sleep, wake, guard, sleep, wake, guard, sleep, wake. Okay. Now, let's reduce it. We've got sleep tallies. Those look good. Okay. Now I'm just going to take off my take 10. Boom. Okay, looks like we actually don't have that many distinct guards. Okay. Let's see. So let's get the sleep tally out of that. Let's see. Sort by second. Oops. Let's get my parentheses around here. Reverse first. That should give me the guard that slept the longest. 2663 slept for 522 minutes. 2663. Oh, I need to multiply them. Okay, apply. Come on. Whoa! Now I'm hitting my touchpad. Hang on here. Apply, multiply. 139086. Not right. Okay, gotta continue here. I'm sure there's common commands in Cider, but I'm not sure what they are. Okay, hold on a second. Let me make sure my math is right. If they fell asleep on minute 1, woke up on minute 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and that's 1 minute of sleep, that agrees with the problem statement. So I think my math is okay for how long they were asleep. Our event arc here is how much they were awake. But that means something's likely to be wrong in my actual... Let me check something here. sleep, wake, guard, sleep, wake, guard, sleep, wake, guard, sleep, wake, guard, sleep, wake, sleep, wake, guard, sleep, wake, guard, sleep, wake, etc. Okay, the pattern's at least set. I don't see any indication of weird data here. Oh, snap. This is even weirder than I thought. We need to figure out what minute that guard spends asleep the most. So now we have, basically, okay, here we go. This is even stranger. Okay. So, instead of taking 20, 2663. Okay, that's our sleepiest card. Format buffer. This is ridiculous. Okay, so now we know which one spends the most time asleep. Okay, I think I see how we can do this. Okay, we're gonna have to do something a little different now with our handle event. Let's call this something else. Let's call this like tally guard sleep. Okay. Pow. Oop. Pow. Just to make sure I haven't screwed anything up. Nil. That's not it. Oh, it's like trying to evaluate the comment. There we go. Let's make this 2663. That's odd behavior with the comment. That feels like a bug in Cider. Okay. As long as it's working. So we're going to need a new reducer here. Let's consider, instead of it being based on tally guard sleep, let's call it Selected guard. Minute tally. So it's going to be similar, but not identical. Event type, event arg. Selected guard and cur guard. Minute tally, let's see. So basically we're going to make sure we're filtering out any of the periods not belonging to our guard. Okay, again, we're going to make a case on our event type. We're going to say if it's a new guard. Okay, associated with the current guard. If it's asleep, we're going to go ahead. Really, the only thing that's going to be different is how we handle awake, which is probably what we should be varying this on. Something to consider. Okay, wake. If cur guard, oops. Let's do the, if they're not equal, then we're going to go ahead and return the current state. Nothing's changed, basically, as far as we're concerned. Otherwise, update in our state the minutes tally. Update states minute tally. So the current minute tally will be in a map. There's got to be like a plural update. So update. Let's go to the quick ref. Update. Okay, fine. Reduce. Cur tally. So for each minute in the range, oof, okay. %1, %2 ink. Okay, so we're gonna, in the current tally map, we're going to increment the minute number. That's all we're doing here. Yikes. Oh boy. Okay, let's see if this works at all, because this is getting way out there in terms of implementation. That is ridiculous. Okay. I'm gonna tally guard minutes. Oh, no, wait, no, I gotta go. Events, map, parse event. Oops. Let's tally guard minutes with a selected guard of our sleepiest guard. I think everything else is going to be fine. What's Incanil do? Blows up. Okay. A zip map, I think. Yeah, it does not like that, having these constants. I think that worked. Okay. The numbers seemed reasonable, basically. So we want to get out that last minute tally. We want to sort by second again, so the minute that got the most tallies. First. Oh, nope. Reverse. First. Let's just see what that looks like first. Minute 45 with 15 minutes total on 45. So 15 instances where he was asleep at blank 45 or 12:45. Okay. Let's try that out. That's 45. The sleepiest guard, sleepiest minute is this. So let's multiply the sleepiest guard by the sleepiest minute. 119835. Done. Okay, part 2. Of all the guards, which guard is most frequently asleep on the same minute? So now I have to generify this across all guards, which is a combination of those two, really. So instead of keeping 1 minute tally for one guard, we're going to have to keep 1 minute tally for many guards, aka a mapping of guard to minute tallies. Which is okay. I think we can do this. Okay, I'm going to actually base this off of this function here. Okay, this is going to be a 12 yanks. me call this min tallies. Tallies. We don't have a selected guard anymore, we just have a current guard. I can get rid of the entire if statement here. I'm gonna have an extra parenthesis down here. Okay. Let's format real quick. Okay. We can use update in state. This is no longer just minute tally, it's Kurguard's minute tally. Okay. So for this guard's minute tally, I'm going to make a special function here, just because this is going to get annoying fast. I swear there's got to be a function for this. Give me a second. Okay, I gotta look this up. There's gotta be a better way to handle all this, bud. FNIL. There it is. So I can say FNIL X 0. Okay, that's what I was looking for earlier. Okay, there we go. Okay. We're going to map all of these. Oh, so we're going to get the not minute tally, but minute tallies. Okay, I'm not doing this anymore. I think we got that covered. We don't even need the selected guard anymore. We can just have that. There we go. Okay. And then... honestly, we might not even need the empty map, but I'll leave it there for now. Just for safety's sake, we want to get the minute tallies out of our final result. So now we have a mapping of guards to their minute tallies. So what I'm probably going to need to do here okay, I'm going to need to map each guard's. So this is going to each come in with a guard tally pair. So So let's just do something to... minute tally. This is basically just what we've been doing already. Sort by second, reverse first. And this will just give us the actual pair of minute and frequency. Okay? Guard, tally, so we're going to get the biggest tally, or the biggest minute for each guard. Oops, let's make sure to close that out. There we go. I need to get Perimeter or something on this thing, because it is exhausting dealing with all these parentheses, and I do not have the command set up for gulp and slurp, etc. Okay, we got the biggest minute for this each guard. Now we need to get the biggest minute out of all those guards. So that's a simple matter. Sort by comp second. So literally the second element, which is the biggest minute pair, and then the second of that, which is the frequency. Oh boy. So right now at this point, hold on, let's just show this. Our thing looks like guard, minute, tally. So we're trying to get this tally, sort by that. Same thing. I swear there's also going to be a thing for sort by reverse or sort by descending. But I don't know it yet. First, second. Five times. And I don't have this defined yet. Oh, we don't have this defined yet. This is tally every guard minutes. It did not like something in there. It did not like that multiply at the end. I don't think this worked as intended, so you know what? Let's just... Oh, I know what happened. I need to actually grab the first out. Still no. Okay. Still no. Oh boy. Oh, wow. Okay, I see exactly what I did wrong here. Okay. I have my, oops. My, see it now? Swap these around. So I want to get in minute tallies for the current guard. Blah. Not the other way around. That is a huge difference. Okay, still going wrong. Doesn't like my sort by here. Okay, let's validate what this is doing. Oh, yeah, I've broken it. I need to get this into a shape that looks like, whoops, I hit insert. Okay. That looks more like this. There it is. Okay, now I should be able to use my fancy juxt first comp first second. The guard's ID and then the number of the minute. I think that's what it asks for. By the minute. Yep, okay. Apply times 12725. That's right. Got it. Okay. Wow, that was fun. Took way too long to parse the events out. How's the leaderboard look? How badly am I doing? Oh, guess I'm back on top. Okay. Cool. But overall, I'm still doing really bad. What was my day today? I was... which place? Can I see it from here? Oh, not here. Oh, no, top 100. Where's the, do I have to look at the individual day for it? So here we go. Rank. Actually not bad. Oh, no, wait, no. My rank's up here. Terrible. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Still, fun problem. Okay, I like this one. I'm going to have to go in and clean up a ton of duplication out of this, though. Because all those reducing functions are almost the exact same. It's just that how they handle the wake up, which makes sense. It's how you process the actual event you're interested in. Everything else is just accumulating states that you can process that wake event correctly. Other than that, I like the form of this. Took a bit to figure out what it was asking for, and it's kind of nice how it was layered. It wasn't just, hey, find the one that slept the most. No, it's find the one that slept the most, and then figure out which minute, which they slept the most. It gives some nuance to it and makes sure that you are actually parsing things out correctly and walking the state correctly, if that makes sense. Cool. Multi-port ones like this always just make me so happy, though. I just really get a kick out of them. All right. I don't think I'm going to do the refactoring live, though, because there's not much to it. Like, the duplication's obvious, I guess, in my mind. I'll just tidy it up for later, get it tossed up onto my GitHub for this, and we'll call that good. It's been fun. Hope you've enjoyed. It's not been too boring watching me slog through this. I'll catch you later. Have fun with Advent of Code and keep learning languages, especially Clojure.